Hi, it's me, Gautam, your PMP mentor who designed this 5 PMP style quiz challenge. Congratulations in completing this quiz challenge. So once you watch this video fully, you can able to see your test results. When your results are good, I'm so happy, so proud of you, celebrate your success. But when your results are not as expected, don't get demotivated. Consider this as a learning opportunity. Why? For each and every question, I have written a verbal explanation where I have explained why that particular option is the right choice for that particular question. Your test results has been also sent to one of my team members who is from PMP Consulting Mentoring team. You will get a call from my team. You can discuss your test results with my team member. If you have any doubts, you can ask him or her. Along with that, because you have tried this 5 PMP style quiz challenge, my team member will be giving you access to a free course. I'm not going to reveal what is that course is. Let it be a surprise. Why I'm doing this? It is because you have tried this question and I'm considering you as a highly motivated individuals. I love highly motivated individuals. And also they will guide you how to access the next set of 5 PMP style questions. So please pick my team call. We are excited in talking to you. Also, through this video, I would like to give the most important update. It's been 6 months since I last personally mentored a PMP batch, but this month I have cleared my schedule. I have decided to personally mentor a small group of PMP aspirants this month. This personalized mentorship program will help you to pass the PMP exam in 30 days without reading any books. Let me tell you how this mentorship program is going to work. Once you are inside this mentorship program, you must attend 42 hours of live training where your mentor will be teaching all the PMP concepts like a case study. And once you complete the live training, you have to do your self-study. For doing the self-study, you don't want to read single line from any books. We will be giving you access to our learning management system. We have divided the entire PMP syllabus, which is exam content outline, into different lessons in our learning management system. You will be seeing lesson 1 to lesson 18. You have to study from lesson 1 to 18, then go for the exam, sit for the exam, pass, boom, done. While you are studying these lessons, so what you will do, you will just watch some videos, pre-recorded videos. With that, you will be learning all the concepts. Along with that, you'll be practicing test questions. That's it. Now, as a part of this program, I will be your personalized mentor. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to create a personalized study plan for you, which will help you to knock this PMP exam out in 30 days, that too without reading books. Which is nothing but I will start sending you series of homeworks. For example, I will be sending you homework number 1. That homework will have a deadline. Then in that email, I will be clearly mentioning what are the steps you have to do within that particular deadline. Homework number 1 is nothing but within the deadline, I said, I want you to complete lesson number 1 in our LMS. And after that, you have to get back to me saying that, hey Gautam, I have completed homework number 1. I will be reviewing your test results. Once I'm satisfied with your performance, you will get next homework. When I'm not satisfied with your performance on homework number 1, I will be asking you to repeat something in the same homework. So this means I will be sending you series of homeworks with deadlines. By doing the homeworks, you will be covering all the lessons in my LMS one by one. Once you complete until lesson number 10 in my LMS, that's it. Your concept prep is over. From lesson number 11 onwards, you have to just practice mock tests. There are 6 mock tests in our LMS. Every mock test simulates the real PMP exam. This means you have to answer 180 questions within 230 minutes. And these mock tests will also come as a homework. Once you complete a mock test, you have to update me your test results. When you're scoring 65% in all the mock tests, a green signal should be given from my side. Only then you are allowed to go for the exam. When your scores are less, I'm so sorry, I'm not going to give you green signal, but we're going to discuss together. We will be understanding what are the challenges you are having. We improve and then we go for the exam, sit for the exam, and then we're gonna knock the PMP exam out. And with this mentorship program, you're gonna get PMP application support as well. Guess what? PMP application will come as a homework. That homework will have a deadline. I will be attaching a sample application. You have to take that as a reference. You have to create your own application, do it and send it to me. I will review, then I will give you feedback. By incorporating my feedback, you have to submit your PMP application. So this means this entire mentorship program is a combination of live training and self-study. When you're doing self-study, you're gonna get my one-to-one mentorship. I will plan your study plan. I will track your progress. I will hold your hand. I will ensure you are knocking the PMP exam out by 2025 without reading single line from any books. And also for this mentorship group, I have decided to provide my career and job assistance as well with the help of my ultimate interview prep program. So when you are talking to my team member, if you are interested, ask about this personalized mentorship program with my team member. He or she will be explaining this one in little more detail. Thanks again for watching this video. Now it's a time for you to see your test results. I will be meeting you all soon in the next 5 PMP style questions. See you soon in another great video. I'm excited to be part of your PMP journey. Bye, take care.